Thanks for clicking Florida Outdoor Adventures. In this video I want to share with you a couple items that I try to never leave without, especially on a long road trip, whether it's in my vehicle, in my Jeeps, or on my motorcycles. I always try to have these two things, and the first thing is a portable air compressor. This is a really nice modern one. You're going to see in a second now how nice it is and how quick it inflates a motorcycle tire. And I also like to carry with me at all times a good tire plug kit. And this has saved me a lot of time. It has saved my friends a lot of time, especially if we're on a group ride. It happened in Morocco, if you ever have seen those videos in my Europe and Africa playlist. Let's go ahead and take a look at this new portable air compressor. It's a 12,000 milliamp hour, 150 psi portable air compressor. Here's the brand there if you want to search for it. I'll put a link also down below for both of these things. Let's open this up. It comes already with a very nice carrying case. I like how the unit is kept tight with these elastic bands here. And here's the actual compressor, and then the fitting hose for the Schrader valve, and also some other tips for various other items like charging cable, USB-C, and also with a 12-volt lighter plug outlet. So you could go ahead and put this in your cigarette lighter in your car. Let's turn this on so you can see some of the features. This one has a very nice digital display here. Also, you could set it for different modes, and you could adjust the pressure here. Also comes with a light. All right, let me demonstrate how long it takes to fill up a stock front motorcycle tire. I'll set it up for 32. We're currently at 0 psi right now. We're going to go to 32. Let's see how long that takes. I might have to speed up the video. .32 psi in 2 minutes and 43 seconds. I'm almost at 100,000 subscribers, so if you like this type of video with some mild reviews and motorcycle adventures, especially the ones in Europe, I would greatly appreciate it if you click that subscribe button. And once again, I'll leave a link to these items here in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.